Video is how to set up a stacker, whether it's a Coke machine, a Pepsi machine. This happens to be a Coca-Cola machine. It's a Royal. What we're going to do is just look at the different things you need to do. There'll be separate videos to how to do each of these steps. The things you're going to need to do are create a menu for the machine showing which columns you want which items in and which selections you want them to be. Often there's a sticker inside the machine that shows how the menu can be set up. It shows each of the columns in the machine and then what selection you want that column to be and what's going to go in that column. As you can see, this one's been changed a couple times. And you can put any kind of white sticker or tape something in the machine, but it's good to have your menu in the machine. So if you have any questions about what goes in a column, it's there and it makes it very clear and easy to program the machine. All right, once you set up your menu, you should know that the columns are numbered. Some have the numbers in them. This one doesn't. In this particular machine, you have 10 columns. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the back are 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you have your menu. You've decided what's going into each column. You know the size of that package. Each of these columns is going to have to be adjusted to fit the particular package you're putting in there. A can, a bottle, a contoured bottle, energy drink, whatever it happens to be, 12 ounce, 17 ounce, whatever. You're going to take and adjust the depth of the column, and you're down here, you're going to adjust the width of the column. When you program this machine, for each selection, you're going to have to program the price of that selection. You're going to have to program which columns inside are assigned to that selection. And you're going to have to program the depth of that selection. Does it drop single or double depth, depending upon whether it's a can or a bottle? The final thing you're going to do is you're going to change your labels and put pricing stickers. And that is how you set up your machine. Each of these different topics has its own separate video. So please refer to those for any of the steps that you don't know how to do.